They say words don't hurt, but let's be honest, insults can sting. You're standing there, minding your own business, when suddenly someone throws a sharp remark your way, trying to humiliate you. Most people either lash out or shrink in silence. But what if I told you there's a way to turn the tables effortlessly? Instead of letting their words affect you, you can make them look weak, exposed, and insecure without raising your voice or even breaking a sweat. The secret? Stoic philosophy. Some of the greatest minds in history mastered the art of emotional control, and today I'll show you exactly how to use it to make any disrespectful person regret their words. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn will change how you handle insults forever. Number 1 step, understand why they're insulting you. People who insult others often project their own insecurities. They crave attention, dominance, or validation from others. Seneca, one of the greatest Stoic philosophers, once said, "Whoever is eager for applause confesses to being unsure of their own merit." An insult is usually not about you, it's about them. The moment you internalize this, their words lose power. So instead of reacting emotionally, ask yourself, why are they saying this? What insecurity are they trying to hide? If someone mocks your intelligence, perhaps they feel inferior in their own knowledge. If they attack your appearance, maybe they struggle with their self-image. Once you see through their facade, you realize they are not strong. They are fragile, hiding behind insults. Number 2 step, the power of calm and indifference. Nothing unsettles an insulter more than someone who remains unshaken. The calmer you stay, the more desperate they become. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. If someone tries to humiliate you, expecting a reaction, just smile slightly, nod, or say, "Interested." No anger, no emotion, just indifference. Their insult loses its power, leaving them feeling insecure, wondering why their words didn't work. Number 3 step, a strategic response that flips the insult. If you respond, do it in a way that makes them look foolish without direct confrontation. The reverse question, if they insult your intelligence, ask, "What makes you say that?" This forces them to explain, often making them stumble. The humor approach, lie with a light joke, "Wow, you must think about me a lot." This flips the script, making them seem obsessed. The unexpected compliment. If they call you weak, say, "I appreciate your perspective." They expected a fight. Now they look aggressive while you stay. Number 4 step, let silence destroy them. One of the most powerful Stoic tactics is silence. A person who insults you expects a reaction. When they don't get one, they panic. Epictetus taught that it's not what happens to you, but how you react that matters. Imagine they insult you in front of a crowd, expecting laughter or drama. Instead, you just glance at them for a moment and then look away as if they don't matter. That single act tells everyone that their words are insignificant. The moment you stop giving them importance, they start feeling small. Number 5 step, walk away with power. The final move, leave them hanging. Show them that their words don't deserve your energy. A person who cannot control their emotions loses, and a person who remains composed wins. When you don't engage, they are left dealing with their own insecurity. You've won without even fighting. Final thought, become untouchable. The secret to handling insults isn't fighting back. It's becoming so emotionally strong that nothing can shake you. The more you practice Stoicism, the more untouchable you become. People will eventually realize that attacking you is pointless because you refuse to give them power. So the next time someone disrespects you, don't react. Stay calm, stay powerful, and watch as they expose their own insecurities.